Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony here, hanging out. Hope all is well, everybody. Haven't been around for a while. We did that awesome road trip with the family, and unfortunately, I couldn't stream live as much as I wanted to because of the internet connection. We were in some areas up in the mountains, up in Utah, Arizona, even in Northern California. We went to the Sequoia National Park there, and the internet, I just could not stream live. I tried, so I just said forget it. What's going on, Nelson? Can everybody hear me? Give me a quick thumbs up, a like, whatever. Let me know if you guys can hear me. So here's the deal. Now that I'm back in town, I am gonna be doing the bed liner. What's up, Morgan? I'm gonna be doing the bed liner on this truck here Saturday. So I'm just gonna prep it up right now quick. I'm just gonna wash the bed out. It's actually already prepped up. We can hear you, awesome. Let me shut this off so you guys can hear me. So it's pretty much, it's all prepped up, guys. I sanded everything before we painted it. Doing bed liner tomorrow. Awesome. So this is all painted, right? Because we painted this. So I'm basically gonna mask a line off here, probably even with the bed, right? Even with the bed, I'm gonna mask it, and we're just gonna spray the whole back of the bed. I'm just gonna wash it out quick. It's a little dusty, but it's all sanded. I think I sanded it with like 280 grit or a 320 grit when I was sanding the truck down. So it's ready for bed liner. All right, and we're also going to be spraying the top rail here. Actually, I don't have to because I have a rubber piece that's going to be glued on the top here, but I'll just do it anyway. So we're just going to mask off up to here, right? And then we're going to spray the top, spray the bed. I'm taking these pieces off of the truck because I'm going to be able to mask up and get a cleaner line on the bed bottom here with the side beds off. So I will be removing our side beds. Plus we'll be able to spray up in here. You know, with everything off, I'll be able to get in the truck here a little bit better and spray the bed liner. But it's gonna look really, it's gonna finish it off. So remember what the project looks like now, because once the bed liner is on, it's really gonna look finished. All right. So here's what it looks like. All right, and then we'll show you the after. I did do a pinstripe here on this door just quickly, and I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna finish off with the pinstripe going all the way around, and do the bed Saturday. It's set for Saturday. We're gonna have like an 85-degree day on Saturday. It's gonna be beautiful, perfect for doing any kind of painting. These I'm gonna remove. I don't like, they're just too big. These decals here, those high jets, a little too big, but that's pretty much it. And also if I have enough room, not room, but if I have enough bed liner available, bed liner spray, U-Paul spray, I'm gonna hit underneath here. Probably I should just do it all at the same time, right? Hit underneath, get it black as well. I did some when I did the tailpipe. You can see that I did the leaf springs black, you know, kind of, but I should be getting in here black as well. You know, all of this, the frame, just black that up. So anyway, hope all is well, everybody. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the little mini truck project. Hope all is well. We're going live. I wanted to go live last week. What's up, Kent? Thank you so much, Kent. I'm back in work mode, and I'll be in touch with you shortly, very soon. I wanted to go live last week, but the hotel had bad internet connection. I couldn't do it last week, Thursday. So we are going to go live as well this week, Thursday. I'm actually going to be creating a new member video right now after I wash this bed off, to be uploaded in the VIP members area at LearnAutoBodyAndPaint. So be sure to look out for that. And then more YouTube videos coming out. All right, so it's Tony here. Hope everybody is doing well. Fantastic. Click the like button before you leave. You'll be getting an email from me if you're a VIP member on the new video that's going to be uploaded today. And also, remember, live Thursday night, 8:30 p.m. Central. And that's pretty much it. So it's Tony here. I'll see you guys soon. We had a great time. Maybe I'll make a little slideshow video of what we did over the vacation. We did Universal Studios, Sequoia National Park with the huge sequoia trees, the oldest living tree in the world, 2,200 years old. Took pictures next to General Sherman tree. That was the tree. We went to Monument Valley in Utah and Arizona. We did the Grand Canyon, which was amazing. What else did we do? Monument Valley. I said that. So a lot of cool things. Visited some friends in California. And we did a total of about 3,500 mile road trip in about 10 days, give or take. So it was a lot of traveling, especially with 2 kids in a car. So it's Tony, guys. I'll see you later. Have a great day. It's a beautiful day here in Texas. Check it out. Ciao.